Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to share your Figma designs with stakeholders effectively. Sharing your designs for feedback or approval is crucial for a successful project. Let's dive in. Figma makes it easy to share your designs with everyone, whether they have a Figma account or not. You can control the level of access and permissions, ensuring your stakeholders can view and interact with your designs appropriately. Let's start by opening a project. Here, as you can see on your screen, to invite stakeholders to view your project, click on the Share button at the top right-hand corner. And here, you can enter the email addresses of the stakeholders you want to invite. You can set their permissions to can view or can edit based on their needs. For most stakeholders, can view is sufficient. Once done, click Send Invite. Now, if you prefer to share your design via link, you can generate a shareable link. So just click on the Share button at the top right, and then click on the Copy Link button. And here you can adjust the link settings to control who can access it, either anyone with the link or any people invited. So this link can be shared via email, chat, or any other communication platform. So once they click on the link, they will be automatically go to the project. Now for more professional presentation, use Figma's Present Mode. Click the Present button in the top right corner to open your design in a new window. This mode hides the Figma interface, providing a clean and focused view of your design. It's perfect for meetings and presentations. And also Figma allows stakeholders to leave comments directly on the design. So make sure commenting is enabled by checking the Can Comment option in the Share settings. So stakeholders can select the comment tool and click anywhere on the design to leave feedback. You can respond to comments and resolve them as needed. Sometimes stakeholders may need design assets for online review or other purposes. You can export your design as images, PDFs, SVGs. Select the frame or component, click Export in the right sidebar, choose your desired format and click Export. Then you can share these files directly. Figma also allows you to embed your designs in other platforms like websites, documents, or Notions. What you need to do is click on the Share button, and then just have to find the Copy Embed code. Right here at the bottom, get embed code, and then just copy that one and paste the code into your design platform. So this provides an interactive view of your design directly within the platform. So here are some tips and best practices for sharing Figma designs with stakeholders. Number 1, set clear permissions. Ensure stakeholders have the right level of access. Number 2, use presentation mode. For meetings, use Present mode for a professional look. Number 3, gather feedback efficiently. Enable comments and encourage stakeholders to leave feedback directly on the design. And that's it. You've now learned how to share Figma designs with stakeholders effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more design tips and tutorials. Make sure to follow all the instructions and watch the video till the end so you can be effective in creating some designs using Figma. So thank you for watching and see you on the next video.